Vikings, let's get you flying. Toothless, they're on their way, and the launcher isn't even ready yet. I almost forgot the wings. I'm glad I checked my drive. These wings will give you a dragon-side heel berth, without all the chafing from the scales. Toothless, you forgot the wings! That is not a good thing to forget. Hang on! We're coming! Shake! Watch out for the shake! Ah, nice! A nautical nest. Yeah, this would be a great place to stop. You know, stretch your legs, smell the morning sulfur, take in the shrapnel. So refreshing. But all joking aside, you really can't be here when these eggs happen. Oh, not good. Dragon, anytime you want to hang out in the skies over Burke, you just stop by. Won't be too close.